peeps. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this. I've had this for almost 2 weeks. I've been working crazy hours at work and I didn't want to open it until I opened it with you guys. I know that it's at least, I think there's 2 in there, at least one of the new kits from BytheWell4God. But I think I ordered another one in there too. So I'm so excited. This was not packed in there. I know this goes with it. So let's see. I love the way they package. So cute. And I save these because all crafters know that can be used for something else. You always get a really nice little thank you with some extra goodies in it. Let's see what we got. They're just the sweetest, and I'm telling you, I buy a lot of these types of devotional kits, and these are by far the best quality and the best value. Absolutely love them. So I'll put a link down below. It's they're not paying me to say that. It's not an affiliate link. It's just a link because I love them. So here we have a cute little stamp. I'm not sure what it is. Looks like a keyboard. No, is it? I don't know. I don't know what it is, but it's cute. And it was free. So hello. And they are my all-time favorite little ribbon paper clips. What else do we get? We got some stickers. Those are nice. Some alphas. And releasing late August. True North. Oh, it's an up-and-coming one. Okay, so be prepared. They sell out immediately. And I believe that they send out an email for pre-order sales. Yeah, got it. That's how I got one of the ones in here is pre-order sales. So cool. Here's the thank you. So you get that. So that was all freebies. Now let's see the goodies. I just love, love, love. I actually saved this tissue paper because I think in the future there's something super cool that I'm going to be able to do with it. I could be wrong, and some could call me a hoarder. I'm okay with that. Also, you're going to see a glare. So I got a new desk, and my lighting and stuff, I'm moving it around to figure out how it works, and it's glaring. Oh my god, look what all I got. Isn't this tissue paper the best? It's always in this really great tissue paper. I love it. Love everything about them. Their devotional kits come in these super cute little bags. Oh, I have 3 of them. Awesome. And some extra goodies I ordered. So exciting. Okay. This is the most current one. It's called Worthy of the Gospel. So let's see what's in it, because I don't even remember. You always get a little flare. So there's 2 little pins. I'm going to find something super cool to do with these. They're always really cute. Let me pull this closer. So cute little pins. Love one another and worthy. Always get little ribbon. Love these. Worthy of the Gospel. And then it's got Philippians 1:27 on the back. We'll look at that in a minute. This is so cool that they do this. So this is a card, and it's actually water paint, and all these colors match the kit and everything that's in it. And you get this with every kit. So here they've named the colors, and you just take your wet brush. And like it says, a little bit goes a long way. You just take your wet brush and dab it in there. Isn't that brilliant? I love that they do this for every kit. I'm telling you, this is a top-notch kit. Love getting them. Like, I can't keep up with all the reading I have to do. Oh, this is a cute little sticker. Look at this stamp. Philippians 1:27. Oh, that is super cool. And Worthy of the Gospel is the name of the kit. That's cool. This will make some really awesome backgrounds with this stamp. This is really awesome. Super cool. We get some stickers, and oh look, we now have mask stickers. great. These look like little journaling cards. The greatest commandment, the greatest commission, with all our heart. And then on the back it's lined, so you can use whichever side. Always has matching alphas. Super cute. And then here is the devotional. It's really good quality. Your inks won't go through. Just really nice. So, and here's the devotional. What I like to do with these when I finish them is put them inside a traveler's journal. So I'll have like 4 or 5 in there. Okay, so that was fun. So again, that one, this is the Worthy of the Gospel. Oh, let's look at their ephemera. We always get that too. I didn't pull that out. So many pieces, I'm so excited. Okay. Worthy of the Gospel, and I love these colors. See all the pieces. I like the little flowers that are half. Sometimes I do that myself because you can put them like right up next to an edge or like this. Super cute. Oh, look at those cute houses. Some fruit. You get a lot. Help the hurting. Welcome. Oh, look at these. These are cool. Oh, I like this. Nice. So we get a whole bunch of the ephemera comes in that pack. Sorry, you can probably hear my husband upstairs. I don't have my craft room door shut. The ice maker. Okay, so that's this one. I'm going to put it back in its bag so I have all the pieces together. And then we will look at the other ones. This is going to be a super cool stamp. Oh, these match it. I got this too. So these are cute. These are called, they're journaling cards, but they're called spiritual prescription cards. And there are 12 3x4 in here of the various colors. Oh, whoopsie. Now I gotta learn where my camera is. It used to be over there. Sorry about that. A 4-pack of alphas that coordinate. A really great stencil. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it 7 clear sticker sheets? They just give you so much. Can you believe I got? Well, this was $25, which was still a really good deal. But all of this, I mean, they make all of these things that go together. Okay, let me cut that part out. So when you get their already great priced kit, then there's always some other things that will coordinate with it as well. This spiritual prescription cards will coordinate with lots of stuff. So I think these are blank. So 2 blank. I love to get the extra books. Yeah, blank journal books. Sometimes you want a little more room to write or to journal than what's in the devotional book, so it's really great to have some that match it. All right. I'm just excited. Okay, this one is called I Am the 7 Signs. This is one that had, I believe, had been out of stock and it came back in. Love those colors. Again, here's our 2 little flare pens. I am is for me, and what's this say? Jesus is my good shepherd. It's so cute. Hi, Mimi. My kitty cat's down. Yes, are you talking to everybody? Again, check it out. Here's the watercolors. The sticker that is the that goes with the name of the devotion. Stamp set, always get a stamp set. Love these colors too. There's 3 sticker sheets. some bookmarks. You could use them for bookmarks or tip-ins or all kinds of things. Coordinating alphas. And then here is the devotional study. Is it 2 weeks? Yeah, day 14. To be honest, I'm behind. I don't get to it every day. I have so many of these and I just love them all. And then we have some tulle and ephemera. So I won't go through all that. I'll save this other one for another time because this video is getting long. But wanted to show you my latest haul. Well, latest, like I say, I've had it 2 weeks and I couldn't open it because I wanted to open it with you guys, which is partly why I'm so excited, because it's the first time I'm seeing it. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. Check out the link below to BytheWell4God and have a super blessed day. See you later. Bye.